How to set healthy emotional boundaries. Establishing boundaries helps protect your emotional well-being and prevents you from becoming overwhelmed by others' emotions. Clearly communicate your needs and limits to your family or loved ones honestly. If they do not know your feelings, they will never understand and judge you. Learn to say no without feeling guilty if you either not satisfied what they said or not understand their thoughts. Take time to self-analysis. No arguments. Distance yourself from toxic or draining relationships. If you are failure, you will ruin your life following logical thinking, decision-making and far from your goals achievable. Reflect and learn. Regularly reflect on your emotional experiences and learn from them. How to reflect. Keep a journal to track your emotions and how you responded to them. Reflect on what strategies worked well and what you can improve. Use your reflections to develop a personalized emotional regulation plan. Reflect and learn. Regularly reflect on your emotional experiences and learn from them. How to reflect. By implementing these strategies, you can manage your emotions more effectively and prevent them from overwhelming you. Remember that it's normal to experience a range of emotions, and the goal is not to eliminate emotions but to regulate and respond to them in a healthy way. How to reframe too. Challenge negative thoughts by questioning their validity and considering alternative perspectives. Replace negative thoughts with more positive, realistic ones. Engage in self-soothing activities, such as taking a warm bath, listening to calming music, or reading. 3 techniques to try. Deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and relax each muscle group in your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. 3. Visualization. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful, calming scene, such as a beach or a forest. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Watch my next upcoming videos.